In this video, we are going to see how to change a SIM on a Splan kiosk. To do that, all we need is we need a Splan kiosk, we need a SIM which we are going to change, we need a pin which would help us in changing the SIM, and we need a Splan key. So we pick the Splan key, and then at the back we have to open up the key so that the faceplate actually comes out. So we remove the faceplate. We see there is a knob here. We press this knob and then open up the faceplate. And once the faceplate is open, we have to take the iPad out. For that, I need to take up these knobs, turn it in anti-clockwise direction, and once done, I can actually take the iPad out. I just detach the power cable here, and once I do that, I see there is a small hole here where a SIM can be accommodated. So I just take the pin which I have and then press over here so that the SIM slot comes out. So the SIM slot comes out. Once the SIM slot comes out, I have this SIM. I actually go and change the SIM to a different one. I take this, I place the SIM properly over here. So the point to be noted here is when the SIM is sitting properly, it actually sits perfectly onto this card. So once I have the card properly fitted, I can actually place it back in here. So now the SIM is actually changed. So once the SIM is changed, I again put the power cord back. So once the power cord is back, I just put the knobs in here. So I just put the screws back to fit the kiosk properly, the iPad properly into this. So I just ensure that the iPad is properly placed so that the iPad actually does a business card scan properly, and then I place the cover back. So once the cover is placed, I place the cover on top of the stand and then lock it. So here we are good to use the kiosk after the SIM is replaced. Thank you.